Hi everyone, it's Shell here from Designs by Shell. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you some little mini Christmas cards. Sometimes maybe you just want a smaller card to give to a neighbor or to tuck in with a little gift, and I thought these were really cute. So they're made out of just red cardstock here, and I've used just a piece the size, let's see, it was like 8, I think it's about 8 inches by 3.5 inches, and then just fold it in half. And you can do it this way or this way. And so I've done some of each here. And so it's just really simple cardstock. And here's the first one I did here. Now I used some of my embossing folders for the backgrounds on these. So this one had kind of a wood grain background, which I thought kind of went well with this wood grain station wagon on here that I've used. I've gone ahead and used the these cut out pieces again that I had purchased, and I showed in my previous video. So they're actually stickers, so they go on these little cards really easy. So that's what I did for the station wagon here with the Christmas tree. I used a couple of scallop dies on there and stamped Merry Christmas. I used a little bit of the stickle to add a little bling on there and some sequins to just kind of dress it up a little bit. So I thought that turned out really cute. And then the next one I did was this little owl here. So I've used another of my embossing folders. This one's kind of a, I don't know what you call it, like a trellis design on there. And it's kind of in a wood grain paper. And then I put the owl sticker on there. It's kind of a woodland owl with some greenery. I just added a little gemstone on there. I stamped out the word joy and cut that out with my one of my pairs of fancy scissors. And I just put a little snowflake in the center on there. There was a stamped snowflake, and then I just added this little kind of fluorescent one. I don't know how well you can see it. And a little bit of the stickle on there as well. Inside, I just added a little piece of white paper so it makes it easy to write on, and you can see it shows up a little better than just writing on the red cardstock. So that's that one. And then I think this one is my favorite one. I did the background here. It's got some little, let's see, vines and little leaves and little berries on there. And then I layered on this die that I cut out. It says, we wish you a Merry Christmas. So it's kind of a musical one. And cut that out with one of my frame dies. And then I used the little bird that was a sticker, and just put him on top there. I thought he was such a cute little fellow there. And added some little snowflakes, these iridescent snowflakes on there, just to dress it up a little. I think it turned out really cute. And then I've got the white paper inside again for writing on. And I also found that I had done, I have a box that I keep envelopes in that I make with my envelope punch board, and I went through that and I found some envelopes that I had done previously, and so these are the perfect size for these little cards. So I thought that was good. So if you have an envelope punch board, you might want to make matching envelopes for it. Just follow your instructions on the punch board for the right size. And we're going to go ahead and finish up one of these little mini cards now. Okay, for this one, we're going to go ahead and I've got this pretty background here with the embossed leaves and little berries, holly on there. And I've left a kind of a strip on the bottom, just plain. That's just the way it, I had the paper that I used for the embossing folder just fit that way. So it left a band on there. And I thought, well, I'll just keep it because it's kind of neat. So we're going to do that on this red cardstock here. So that one was really quick and simple, but you could add extra embellishments on these if you like. But that's what I wanted to share with you today. So thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.